This video will show you how to use the adaptive release feature in Blackboard to restrict access to certain areas within Blackboard. It can either be folders or items or whatever. To do this, you go to the item you need to restrict. In this case, I've got two folders. I want to restrict this folder to people who are in the September cohort group. To do that, click this button and then click Adaptive Release. You then get a series of options. You can restrict access according to a date. You can display after or display until a certain date. You've got membership, so it can be, you can restrict access to a particular student, or in this case, as I'm going to do, particular groups of students. You can also restrict access according to grades. So if a student hasn't passed a particular assessment at a certain grade, you can restrict access before they move on to the next section of the course. There's also a review status option. This means that a student will have to mark an item as reviewed. So it could be something like a statement about plagiarism, saying that the student accepts the university's regulations about plagiarism before they upload an assignment. So in this case, I'm going to choose membership, and I'm going to restrict access to the September cohort, which is a group I've already created in Blackboard. So I select that and move it into the right hand pane. I'll then click Submit. You can then see that underneath the folder it says Adaptive Release is enabled. If I then give you the student view of that, and see what that looks like. So you can see now the April cohort has disappeared and only the September cohort is now visible. You can do this not just with folders, but you can do it with any item within a folder as well.